Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, you're welcome. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my lashes. So without any further ado, I'm just going to jump right into the video. So I'm going in with my lashes from Lumiere. I'm going in with my Duo Glow, the dark tone, and of course I'm going in with my tweezers and my bobby pin. First thing you want to do is you want to take off your lashes from the lash pack. Then you want to measure the lashes onto your eye and see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, you can use a scissors to cut off the lashes so that it fits on your eye. You want to cut the outer part of your lashes, not the beginning of your lashes. The next I'm putting my mascara onto my lashes to just make my lashes look more defined before applying my forces. So I'm applying my glue onto my lash band using my bobby pin. You can actually use a toothpick to do this if you don't have a bobby pin. So what I'm doing is I'm applying that lightly onto my lash band. Then when I get to the edges of my lashes, I just apply the glue there more so that it holds onto my eye very well when applying that. So next what you want to do is you apply some air to your lashes. Your lashes don't have to be, the glue doesn't have to be wet, it doesn't have to be dry, it just has to be tacky. So you can do a wavy motion, you can blow it, you can do whatever you want to do, but it should just be tacky. So after doing that, you want to place now your lashes on your eye. When placing your lashes on your eye, you don't want your lashes to meet your own lashes. You want to act like you're dropping your lashes on top of your lash line. Like what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to drop my lashes. You raise your hand up and you're dropping your lashes on top of your lash line. You want your lashes to look like they're actually growing from your eye. You don't want them to be on top of your lashes. So now I have dropped them and I'm just using my hand to just arrange the band. So after doing all of that, I'm going to go in with my mascara and I'll try to blend in my forces with my own lashes using my mascara. So I'm just brushing that upwards and I went ahead to do my other eye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Applying your lashes, you need like to practice, guys. Like me, I'm still even practicing. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next one. Bye guys.